In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fillet in AutoCAD. The Fillet command creates a smooth, rounded connection between two objects, or a clean 90-degree corner when you want a square junction. It's simple, fast, and one of those tools you'll use all the time once you get comfortable with it. First, have your lines ready. That means the objects you want to connect should be drawn and visible, typically lines, arcs, or polylines. It helps if they're positioned so they either intersect or can reasonably meet when extended. If a line is on a locked layer or far away, the command may not behave as expected, so a quick check before you start saves time. Now, type Fillet on your keyboard and press Enter. You'll see command line options appear. With the command active, click the first line, then click the second line. AutoCAD will create the fillet between them using the current settings. If your radius is set to 0, you'll get a clean 90-degree corner. If it's set to a value, you'll see a rounded arc that blends the two objects. When you type Fillet and press Enter, you can also adjust the polyline, radius, trim, or multiple settings. Radius controls the curvature of the connection. Set it to 0 if you want a sharp square corner, or enter a specific value to get a consistent arc. Remember that the radius you set stays in effect until you change it, so if results look odd, check that the radius isn't larger than the geometry can accommodate. Trim determines whether AutoCAD deletes the excess line segments when the fillet is created. With trim enabled, the software cleans up the overlap and leaves you with a neat junction. With trim turned off, the original lines remain untrimmed while the fillet is added, which can be useful if you're exploring options and don't want to lose your original geometry. Polyline lets you apply the current fillet radius to every corner of a selected polyline in one move, giving a consistent rounded look across the entire shape. Multiple keeps the command active so you can keep selecting pairs of objects and apply the same fillet repeatedly without restarting the command each time, which speeds up repetitive edits. That's the essential workflow. Have your lines ready, type Fillet, and press Enter. Choose your options if needed, select the first line, then the second, and there you go. Practice with a few different radii and trim settings to see how each choice affects the outcome, and you'll be filleting confidently in no time. That's all.